Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another embagging, so that means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. See if I can get it open here without cutting through anything. Hang in there. Alright. This is from DIYDigitalArt, and we have pre-stamped cross stitches. So let's see what we have. This is a 48 by 48, and I just thought it was beautiful. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, this is what it looks like. It reminds me of a William Morris print, like around the edge. I don't know if it's a copy from that or not. It does have a product number at the top. It is an 11 count. It's a 48 by 48, 182 by 182. And a nice big huge pattern. How nice is that? It does have 32 colors. We have no 310. We have 823, 939, no 3371 or 3865. But some really beautiful colors running down the side here. I love that this pattern is huge. You could do this on regular cross-stitch material if you wanted to. Yeah. And it is full coverage. Let's take a look at the colors. This product was $10.50. Alright. So we have a toolkit with 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader, and a plum or a peach or a pear blossom or apple blossom or whatever it is. I'm going to say plum. Not real sure. Whoops, let me put that up there with that. Let's take a look at the colors. So we have a hank of 3866. So it's kind of a tan white. Maybe a crew would be a better color for that. And you have a skein of 939, which is going to go around the outside. Let's take a look at the other colors. That is, if I can get it all unwound here. Hang tight. Give it a second. Gotta give it a shake. There we go. So you have yellows and peach and off-whites. And then you have this, which is your last color here. So a lot of different shades of creams and brown. Like a light pale tan, if you will. Oop, got everything upside down here. Whoop. Hang in there. So we got dark brown, dark blue, got greens, got all shades of green. That's a dark green and olive green. And then kind of a moss green. Then you have a greenier looking green. And also some light olive green. And even some, I don't know, it looks like, goodness gracious, get out of my way. Like a neon green, if you will. I don't know what else to call it. But yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I like the way that pattern looked. Let's put those in there just so we don't lose everything. And put that up on top. And let's take a look at the canvas. So it's going to be square. Hang on. But it's a nice size. I like the way it looks. Does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Just beautiful. And I thought that this was going to be a whole lot, but it's not, like 3/4 of the canvas in there. But yeah, I thought this was beautiful. Has serging all the way around. It does come to, the stitching comes right alongside the number, so it doesn't cover anything up. Does have a little itty bitty picture of the butterfly there. But yeah, I thought it was beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's measure it. Now the size that you, like let's say the thing said 48 by 48. That's going to be the size of the whole piece of material. This is actually 48 by 48. And so, you know, remember that when you're ordering, that's not the actual size of the canvas. And it is 46 centimeters this way. I'm trying to lay it down. Yep, 46 centimeters or 18 inches. Actual picture size is 42 centimeters in this direction, which is 16.5. So it's a nice big square by, well, it's kind of, it's wider than it is long, because the actual here is 40 centimeters, which is 15 3/4. See, it's a little bit wider this way. So, yeah, I think it's beautiful. I just love the way it looked done. It just looked gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yep. Let's see what the next one is. I'm going to take it out of its bag. Get rid of that crinkly old thing. As you can tell, this, I don't know if it has more threads than that, but this is a peacock, and it does have more threads. It's a 40 by 77, and I don't, oh, $14.50 was how much this was, and it's up and down, so you got a lot of background here. It's a phoenix flying, and then you have, oh, they kind of look like peonies. I'm not real sure that they are or they aren't. But yeah, I just thought this was gorgeous. Just beautiful. So it is an 11 count again. There's your product number, how big it is, and how many squares. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness. It is a big, huge thing. I cannot get it all in frame. Crap. There we go. This has 50 colors in it. Lots of big areas. There's some, what do you call it? Confetti down, and especially in the flowers. But nice and big, easy to read. Beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. I love the color of those flowers. They're just awesome. And this is nice and big enough to read. I like those blue flowers. Aren't those beautiful? It does have, I'm going to fold it in half because we'll never make it. It has a big area where it tells you how to start, how to work it, and how to finish it. But yes, very easy to read symbols. Does have rivers, so that'll help. And even these flowers down here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 7 colors in here. But they're not like every third one, so that helps. It's not as confetti as some of the ones that I've had. But yeah, I thought this was beautiful. Look at the colors again. No 310, no 550 purple. You have 823, no 939, no 3371. Does have 3865. So, Lovely colors. You have another plum blossom with a needle threader, 5 needles, 4 or 5, I think it's 5, poof ball, and a thimble. So that's cool. We'll put that up there. And let's take a look at the threads. Oh, it doesn't want to stay up there, did it? But like I said, there's a lot more color in this than there is. Just get rid of that in the other one. Trying to get everything out of there. Goodness gracious. So these are going to be your background colors because there's so much of it. I'm guessing. 3770. Is that the same? Yep, there's 2 skeins of that, and 3865, there's 2 skeins of that. Let's take a look at all these beautiful threads. They're individually wrapped, so we'll have to get them undone here and lay them aside. It's the first time I ever saw that they didn't put them together. So beautiful, beautiful blues and greens and teals. This is kind of a green brown, kind of like a khaki brown, I guess. Just absolutely, whoop, I'm trying to tip it so it doesn't shine. Just beautiful. Look at all these. Aren't they gorgeous? Everybody wants to be an individualist today. Come on. Get where you're supposed to get. So you got purples, dark purple, like pinks and orange. Just beautiful. And blues. Lots of pinks. But yeah, it's just got fabulous colors in it. I really like that. Now, I don't know if I'd do the background or not, or how that would all work. I have to study it myself. We're going to open that up, and we're going to lay that right up there. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. So it's 148 by 308. It is serged all the way around. It has a very nice key, and some of the stitching is in the numbers over here, but you've got it in a paper pattern. Everything matches on both accounts. Very nice. Nicely printed. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if I can, I don't know that I can measure this or not. Let me open it. So you do have the great big areas of that yellow, or those 2 shades of yellow. In that blue and yellow are the background colors. So I don't know if you could live without them or not. I don't know. Let's see how big this one is. It's not too terribly big. Okay, it is, I'm trying, hang on, 74.5 centimeters, or 29.25 inches by 15.5 or 39.5. Actual picture is 33.5 or 13.25 by, oops, I'm trying to hang on to it. There's a bump here and there's a bump there, so if it's not perfectly measured, well, I'm sorry. 66.5 or 27. So 27 by 13. So that's not too terribly bad. Not too bad at all. And there's a little bit of confetti ching right through there. But the rest of them are either in lines or pools of color. Like down here in the flowers, you can see the different shades. But see what I mean? It's not confettied. You know, you could go through there and do all of the dots, or all of the little arrows, or whatever, or all the green or the pink. Yep, I think it'd be beautiful. And most of the others are like that as well. So Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I love it. So that's another thing that's on my list of things that I collect. Okay, so fan cells. Hold on, I dropped my paper. Has diamond painting, cross stitch. They have tools and crafts for both. They also have beaded cross stitch and embroidery. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section. They have latch hooks. I don't know if they have latch hook kits. They do have paint by number, wax seal, die cut, jigsaws, printed tote bags. So just a wide variety of things. And they also have a home and garden section with lights and lighting and tools and miscellaneous. No clothes or anything like that. It's just like mostly home and garden and things that you would put in a garden or use to do a garden, that kind of thing. And tools. I don't know. You can use your tools for a multitude of things. But, yeah. Now, they usually have free shipping, and I will put that down in the description below. I don't know if it's still at $50. And if there's any specials for like Christmas, I will put that in there as well. Thank you, DIY Digital Art, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful kits. Love them. Thank you so very much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.